Which AI model fits your PC? Pick the right one and make it fast. This is part 2 of our LM Studio series, updated for 2026. Check your specs, pick a model, and speed it up. Let's dive in.
Here's the golden rule. Your RAM is your model budget. Too big, and the model won't load. Too small, and the answers are weak. Just right, and it's fast and smart. File size plus context plus overhead equals the memory you need.
First, a 30-second spec check. On Windows, open Task Manager. Check memory and check your GPU's dedicated memory. On a Mac, open About this Mac. RAM is your model budget. VRAM is your speed budget. And on Apple Silicon, it's all one pool.
Now, the MP3 trick for AI models. Quantization compresses the file using fewer bits per weight. 4-bit is the sweet spot, and Q4KM is the recommended pick. The official guide says, choose a 4-bit option or higher. Smaller file, almost the same quality.
Pick by your RAM, not the leaderboard. With 8 gigabytes, try Gemma 4E2B or Qwen 3.4 billion. With 16 gigs, start with Qwen 3.8 billion, around 5 gigabytes. With 32 gigs, Qwen 3.527 billion is the 2026 champion.
And on 16 gigs, gpt-oss 20B is the sweet spot.
Now let's download it. Open the Discover tab. Type Qwen 3.5 in the search bar. Click the 27 billion model. Choose Q4KM 16.6 gigabytes. It's marked recommended. Hit download and watch the progress bar. Then click Use in a new chat.
Head to the Chat tab and open the model loader. Max out the GPU offload slider so your graphics card does the work. Keep the context length at 8000. LM Studio shows the estimated memory. Turn on flash attention, then click Load Model. Done.
Here's what good looks like. 20 tokens per second feels fluid. 50 plus feels instant. A modern GPU hits 20 to 40. But watch out. If the model spills out of your RAM, speed crashes up to 30 times slower. 46 down to 1.5 tokens per second.
If it's slow, run this checklist. 1. Max the GPU offload slider. 2. Lower the context length. 3. Pick the right quantization. 4. Check your GPU backend. 5. Close heavy apps. 6. Eject old models. And 7. Enable flash attention. 2 tokens per second becomes 40.
If something breaks, here's the fix. Failed to load model. It's too big for your memory. Use a smaller quantization, lower the context, or eject another model. Crawling at 1 or 2 tokens per second. The GPU offload is at 0. Max it out, and crashes mid-reply.
Drop the context length.
That's the whole game. Q4KM, the sweet spot. Fit your RAM, 8, 16, or 32 gigs. And max the GPU offload for speed. Your model, your speed. Like, subscribe, and comment. And next, we'll turn your PC into a local API server.